everyone, welcome to my channel French class. Today let's learn how to greet in French. You may have already heard some of these greetings. Let's get started. First one. Bonjour. Bonjour. When you first see a friend or someone, we say bonjour to greet them. This also means good day, good morning and also hello. Repeat after me. Bonjour. Bonjour. If you look at the word carefully, bon means good and jour has the meaning day. So, bonjour has the meaning good day. Next one. Salut. Salut. Now this is more of a friendly term of saying hi, hello. Salut. Salut. Next. Bon après-midi. Bon après-midi. Good afternoon. As I've told you, bon means good, après means after and midi means midday or noon. So, meaning is easy. Good afternoon. Now I am dividing this for your understanding and don't forget to note them down for your vocabulary. Repeat after me. Bon après-midi. Bon après-midi. You can also see l'accent grave on the letter E making the sound après. Après. Very good. Next one. Bonsoir. Bonsoir. Good evening. Soir means evening. Repeat after me. Bonsoir. Bonsoir. Bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. Good night. Bon means good and nuit for night. Now you may wonder why the spellings in bonne is different from the previous but still means the same. Well, the most significant feature in French language is that the words have a gender, either masculine or feminine. So depending on the gender of the particular word, the article or the adjective used with the particular word changes. Now this is a whole lesson and I'll come to that later. Here, simply nuit is a feminine word. Therefore, the spellings of the adjective bon changed. Take your time and go through the lesson again to see the difference. Next. Bon voyage. Bon voyage. Have a nice trip or have a nice journey. Voyage has the meaning of trip, journey or voyage as in English. Now repeat after me. Bon voyage. Bon voyage. Bon appétit. Bon appétit. Enjoy your meal or good appetite. And you can also see here l'accent aigu. So how do you pronounce it? Very good. Bon appétit. Bon appétit. Next one. Joyeux Noël. Joyeux Noël. Merry Christmas. Joyeux means merry or happy. And Noël, we learned it earlier. It's Christmas. You can see l'accent théma and it is pronounced as Noël. Noël. Very good. Bon anniversaire. Bon anniversaire. Happy birthday. A favorite greeting. Repeat after me. Bon anniversaire. Bon anniversaire. Bonnes vacances. Bonnes vacances. Happy holidays or vacation. Repeat after me. Bonnes vacances. Bonnes vacances. Remember, we do not pronounce S at the end. Lastly, bonne chance. Bonne chance. Good luck. Chance means luck. Bonne chance. Bonne chance. Very good. That's all for today. Now you can use these greetings with your French-speaking friend. Keep practicing and don't forget to subscribe my channel. À bientôt!